is Ryan Dean with the Your Stories Q&A.
I'm getting notes, even handwritten letters, thanking the Your Stories team for fixing several rough railroad crossings in our area. Keep the fan mail coming because there are signs another bumpy spot is about to be smooth. We've been working to get this rim rattler rectified for more than a year. Last month, we told you a fix was in the works. Now there are signs, literally telling us when. People in Parish have never been so happy to see a DOT billboard. Starting this Saturday, the crossing on 69 just outside the village will be closed for repairs. This area will stay shut down for about a week. Crews will rip out the current crossing panel and install a new one. They'll put down new pavement as well. When it's all done, hopefully, you won't have to crawl at all. Detour signs are up. You can also head to our website to see how to get around. Do you have a question for the Your Stories team? Email us, yourstories@localsyr.com. With the Your Stories Q&A, Ryan Dean, News Channel 9.